Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, we are going to see the highlights of one of the latest UPSC notifications. So it is the Assistant Commandant's Examination notification. It is for the recruitment of Assistant Commandants for the Central Armed Police Forces. So the online application process has already started on 15th April 2021 and it goes on up to 5th May 2021. So 5th May 2021, 6 p.m. is the last date for the receipt of applications, and the date of written examination is on 8th August 2021. So the number of vacancies, a total of 159 vacancies. So BSF is Border Security Force, CRPF is Central Reserve Police Force, CISF is Central Industrial Security Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Force is ITBP, and then SSB is Sahastra Seema Bal. So total of 159 vacancies, and the pay scale in the 7th pay it is 56,100 per month. It is in that scale 10. 56,100 per month is the it will be the gross pay. Plan of examination. So first written examination, then the candidates have to qualify physical and medical test and physical efficiency test, and then finally an interview or a personality test. So eligibility criteria should be an Indian, age between 20 to 25 years as on 1st August 2021, that is not born before 2nd August 1996 and not later than 1st August 2001. And there is a relaxation in the age limit, in the upper age limit. The usual ones like 5 years for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe category and 3 years for the OBC category. So minimum educational qualification should be a degree holder from a state university or a central university or any of the deemed universities, that is the private universities. And so the candidate should meet the prescribed physical and medical standards set by the Central Armed Forces, whatever is prescribed for this particular examination. Now these details you can download it from our Telegram channel. Link to that Telegram channel is given in the description below. And apart from the essential qualification, desirable qualification is an NCC B or C certificate, and that will be considered during the interview personality test. So NCC B or C certificate is desirable qualification. So selection procedure: first is the written examination on 8th of August 2021 between morning 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. for 2 hours. It will be the paper 1 general ability and intelligence test for a total of 250 marks, and this would be multiple choice questions, that is objective questions, and for wrong answers there is negative mark. Usually in the UPSC exams there is a negative mark of 1/3. So multiple choice questions and there is negative mark. Now paper 2 is descriptive, and on the same day, that is 8th August 2021, between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. is the time for paper 2, and paper 2 is the general studies and essay and comprehension paper, that is for 200 marks. So a total of 450 marks. And please remember, this written test examination and the interview, this written examination marks and the interview marks together will be calculated for the final merit. And the physical efficiency test. So in the physical efficiency test, they have given some requirements to qualify the physical efficiency test. For example, for the male candidates, they should be able to run the 100-meter race in 16 seconds and 18 seconds for the female candidates, and so on. Now after you qualify the medical and the physical efficiency test, and the candidates who qualify the written examination will be called for the interview or what is called as a personality test, and that weightage is 150 marks. So total of 600 marks, and the merit will be prepared based on the total 600 marks. And this is the syllabus for the paper 1 of the written examination, general ability and intelligence. So you have topics like general mental ability, general science, current events of national and international importance, Indian polity and economy, history of India, Indian and world geography. And you can find related to the general awareness and the general intelligence in our channel Learning About. And this is the syllabus for the general studies paper 2. So paper 2, you have part A and part B. Part A can be written either in English or in Hindi. So essay question like 80 marks for part A. So indicative topics will be like Indian history, especially Indian freedom struggle, geography, polity, economy, knowledge of security and human right issues, analytical ability. So so the candidates may be asked to write an essay in any of these topics, and 120 marks for the English language skills. Okay, so comprehension, precise writing and other communication language skills, and this part B section should be written only in English, should be answered only in English, and this paper should be written in the candidate's own hand. So how to apply? You can find the link to applying in the description below. You will find this link, and so fee payable is 200, and there is an exception for female and candidates belonging to SC/ST. And after filling the applications, if any candidate feels that they want to withdraw the application, they can withdraw the application between 12th May 2021 to 18th May 2021 till 6 p.m. So the usual information regarding the photograph and signature. The size should not be less than 20 KB, should not exceed 300 KB, and you should have an active email ID and also a valid photo ID like Aadhaar or PAN card or voter ID, etc. That is also essential to apply. And these are the examination centers for the written test. And the usual reservation that is being followed by the central government and the UPSC is followed for this particular examination as well. So I hope the information we provided in this video is useful to you. If you have any queries, please do ask your questions. We'll be very happy to answer. You can ask the questions in the comment section below. For more videos on job alerts, aptitude, reasoning and general awareness, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learning About. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.